Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y17 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find more settings. Then let's tap on permission management, and almost at the bottom we've got install unknown apps. And here we've got the apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course you can change it, just tap on it and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is right now allowed to install something. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on this switcher again, and as you can see, the Chrome is right now forbidden to download something, of course. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.